Hey everyone, it's Justine and welcome to the 2019 gift guide from scrapbook.com. So scrapbook.com has put together this really awesome gift guide that you get in your boxes when you place an order, and it's available online as well, so I'll link to it below in the video description. And inside you can find all sorts of things that you can ask for Christmas that are crafting related and are available at scrapbook.com. So we were each given the task of showing off one of the items from the gift guide, and the one that I chose as the We Are Memory Keepers paper stackers. And these things here are super cool. You'll see me put it together and how it goes in just a moment. And these here are stackable, which means you can add and buy as many as you like. Now in the box, there comes 4 trays. And you can add more and more on top because they fit together in here, these sort of poles. And inside of them, you can put your 12 by 12 paper, 8.5 by 11, whatever you like. So I don't use a ton of pattern paper, so I have all the pattern paper I own in this top tray. So you can see here I have my 12 by 12 paper. In the second drawer and the third drawer, I kind of have this as a rotating paper supply. So depending on the season, I like to stack colors that are commonly used. So since we're in the Christmas season, you can see that I have lots of silvers, golds, blue, green, and reds. And I just keep them all in here, just in a small stack. And then for the very bottom of my shelf, I keep all of my scrapbook.com pre-cut cardstock. If you haven't had a chance to try these yet, I definitely recommend them. It holds all of my Neenah cardstock, so you can get card panels that are 4.25 by 5.5. There are also the landscape and vertical style cards available pre-cut, pre-scored for you. And it's that Neenah Solar Bright cardstock that everybody uses, and it's really nice that you can get your hands on it and it's already cut and scored for you. I absolutely hate that evening prep of cutting and scoring. So this has saved me tons of time. And I particularly buy those in the Christmas season when I'm going to be making lots of bulk cards, like Christmas cards and things. And I just don't have the time to sit there and cut and fold and score and do all of that myself. So those are definitely a big help. So I hope that you have a great holiday season and that you enjoy this gift guide. And be sure to check out scrapbook.com's gift guide that's available on their site. Each day coming up, there are amazing sales for the 12 days of Christmas that are coming up soon, as well as their daily regular sales and Black Friday sales, and all sorts of things are coming up. So be sure to check back each day at scrapbook.com to see if you can get your holiday gift guide even at a discount or anything else that might be on your wish list. So thank you so much for joining me, and let's go into how this looks when it's being unboxed. So when it comes in the box, it comes in quite a flat box for easy shipping purposes, and there aren't any pieces really. There is a visual guide on the back on how to put this together. So all 4 trays come exactly as shown, and you can see that you can actually collapse them. So if you plan on moving or traveling with them at all or anything like that, they're very easy to transport. Then you just need to simply turn them around and then line up the poles, and that's pretty much it. So I think what I love most about this tool here is the versatility of it. So you could get more than one box. You can stack 8 of these together, 12 of these together, 16 of these together. You can really just work it to your own personal space, and it fits just perfectly in the corner of my craft room. And I absolutely love the way that it looks. It's clear, so it matches any craft room, and it's easy to put together. All right, so I hope you enjoyed how I put that together and what the paper trays are all about. Let me know in the comment below what is on your wish list this holiday season, and I'm really curious to see what that entails. Bye for now.